So, hello, Neera ma'am. Welcome Architects 2026. First of all, we would love to know that how has your first day at the event been thus far?
So it is really great because it was really, and I'm really surprised to see the first day was like the enthusiasm the people have found it. Even so, I was thinking that it will be a bit less on first day, but too surprised to see the the footfall that has.
That's definitely ma'am. We are glad that Architects for exceeds not sure expectations on the first day.
Yeah.
We hope that the enthusiasm stays up to the level on the coming days as well. Thank you for choosing to speak to IFBTC. So my first question to you is that how is ATTC bridging the widening skills gap to the Indian apparel manufacturing globally competitive?
Uh, ATDC, Apparent Training and Design Center, is a vocational institute wherein we are skilling people for the industry, especially for the export-oriented industry. With these skills that is required in the current time. With the 90 centers across India, we are training around more than 10,000 people but here and giving fresh and drenched trainings.
That's lovely, ma'am. So my follow-up question would be that beyond technical training, how does your institution embed the thought of sustainable design among the students and the next generation of fashion makers?
Sure. With the technical training, ATDC is leading in taking up the sustainability as a very serious subject because looking into the international market, which is working on sustainability, we have already initiated the sustainability into our programs of 1 year diploma and 3 year degree program wherein we are teaching the sustainability from fiber to the garment making to the schools. So we have really taken the sustainability part as a very serious.
That's lovely to hear. My last question to you would be that what will be that one disruptive technology that you believe will fundamentally redefine the future of apparel manufacturing and production in the coming times?
Uh, the disruption that will happen will be the multi-skill. Like a person has to be multi-skill. So just not only one skill, but it has to be a tertiary, wherein they have to understand the life skills, the soft skills part, the digital part, and the skill part. So these are the three regional three dots connected together and making the industry workforce with a digital knowledge and also capable of taking the challenges of the new.
Nice. Thank you so much, ma'am. The conversation is truly insightful. Thank you so much for talking to us. May you have a good day and a good evening.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.